It's in the transformative power it holds for the chip design industry. By leveraging AI, we're able to make the process of creating new chips faster, cheaper, and more efficient. We're breaking down barriers, pushing boundaries, and setting new standards. In essence, AI-powered chip design is about using the power of machine learning to make the process of creating new chips faster, cheaper, and more efficient. What does the future hold for AI-powered chip design? A question that sparks curiosity and excitement. The potential of AI-powered chip design is vast and transformative. It's like an open field, ready to be cultivated with the seeds of innovation. Imagine, for instance, the telecommunications industry. With AI-powered chips, we could have more efficient networks, faster data transmission, and even better signal quality. This paves the way for advancements in 5G technology and beyond, making the world more interconnected than ever before. In the realm of computing, AI-powered chips could offer unprecedented processing power and speed, taking high-performance computing to the next level. They could also lead to more energy-efficient systems, helping the computing industry reduce its carbon footprint. Consumer electronics is another field that stands to benefit immensely. Smartphones, wearables, smart home devices. The possibilities are endless with AI-powered chip design. These chips could make our devices smarter, faster, and more intuitive, enhancing user experience like never before. AI itself is a driving force of innovation in chip design. As AI algorithms become more complex and demanding, the need for advanced AI-optimized chips grows. This symbiotic relationship between AI and chip design is set to push the boundaries of technology and innovation. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve and mature, AI-powered chip design stands to usher in a new era of smarter, more capable electronics. This is not just a prediction, but a glimpse into a future where technology and intelligence go hand in hand.